Hi, I'm Jo from Jo's Paradise of Colour. In tonight's video, I am doing some dyeing. I filmed these a couple days ago. It was very, very noisy in my shed, so I will be putting on music. But before I start, I want to show you what they turned out to be like. So I will be dyeing. So I will be dyeing up a black one with fluoro neon color pops. I love how this turned out. That is so different compared to what I normally dye. So I went something like this. This will be for a weaving project of mine. So in the following weeks, you'll see me weaving this one up, and the design has been in my head for 2-3 years. So that's exciting that I am at that stage of being able to warp my loom. So I just love how these turned out. If anyone is interested, I am happy to do some more dyeing like this and put them on the shop. Or feel free to make a custom order. The second one that I am dyeing in this video is March for the Sock Yarn Club. This is part of my Australian themed sock yarn club. So January, February and March were Australian Outback. So this one's March. I will be doing another video, a vlog, and I will share all the ones that I have dyed for the Sock Yarn Club so far. And if you're interested in any, I do have a couple left. So this one is so beautiful and so rich. I called this one Great Southern Land. So let's get into it. I hope you enjoy. The dyes that I am using is landscape dyes. They are my favorite. They are made in Australia, and every single one of the containers has an Australian animal or plant. So it's very, very cool. I think that it's very rich, very bright, vibrant colors, and they dye up very well. They're for wool and silk. So if you get your hands on some of them, I do recommend them. It's all I use. I hope you enjoy this video. Please give me a subscription if you have not. Like this video, comment if you liked it and you want to see more like it, and hit the notification bell if you would like to be notified when I put out each video. Alrighty, let's get into it. Enjoy.